Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a MyMedicare account through Medicare.gov. So this account is helpful because it lets you access important Medicare tools online like viewing your information, printing your Medicare card, paying your Part B premium, and checking other Medicare details. So to begin, go to Medicare.gov. Once you're on the main page, look for the login option near the top of the screen. Click login and you will be taken to the sign in page. Since you're creating a new account, choose the option that says create an account. Next, enter the information from your Medicare card, and then you will need Medicare number and your Part A start date. If you do not have this information yet, wait until your card arrives or check your Social Security account. After entering those details, continue to the next page and agree to security notice. Then fill in your basic information, including your last name, date of birth, zip code, and email address. So once everything looks correct, move to the next step. Now, create your username and password. Make sure your password follows the rules shown on the screen. It is also a good idea to write down your login details and keep them somewhere safe. After that, choose a secret question, type in your answer, and click create an account. So once your account is created, you can sign in and use the dashboard to view claims, manage your card, pay your premium, or save your doctors, drugs, and pharmacists. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.